guys, what's up? This is Lavjeet Arora. Welcome in the Tech Queen channel. So in this video, we are continuing the part of our chapter that is library classes. Okay, as you know that in the previous class we have started this chapter number 2 of ICSE class 10th computer application, and now we are continuing with that chapter only. Okay, so we have done there wrapper classes, packages, and how we can convert wrapper class object into the primitive and vice versa. We did there the auto boxing, unboxing, we have done all those things. So if you have not seen that video, please go through that video first of all, and then you come back to this video. So now we are going to start the further things there. So here, if I talk about how we can give input in a Java program, how many ways are there? So as you know that we can do it with the assignment statement, we can do it with the function argument and input stream reader and the scanner class. Okay, these four ways are there. Through that we can give the input in the Java's program. Okay, so that you have already discussed in the ninth class also, and in the revision of ninth class in 10th. Okay, so we have done these all things. So now what is my purpose here? My purpose is here how we can give the input, how we can give the input in the Java's program if we want to give the input in a char form. Okay, so if I talk about the scanner class, so that is very easy. So first thing that you have to do, the step 1, that you have to import the package of scanner class, that is the util package. Okay, so I have given their star symbol. So what does it mean? We have already discussed in the previous class. If you are giving here the specific name of a class and if you are putting there the star symbol, so what's the difference between both? So we have done this thing in the previous class also, so you can check out those videos. So now the step 1, I have to import the package. Okay, so then I'm just starting the class the simple way that you have to follow there, the public static void main. Now I'm importing there the package that is util. That means I just want to use there the scanner class. Okay, so the scanner class, the object of scanner class, I have to use there the new keyword here. Okay, first of all, what does it mean? It means that this is a keyword here and this is an operator also. Okay, so now through that we are just allocating the memory to the object of scanner class. Okay, so system.in, we will do input through the system, and now that particular thing will be get by the object of scanner class. As you know that this is very easy to give the input in the scanner class. Okay, so now if I just want to give the input in character form, so for that in the scanner class we are having here next dot char at, and this here we have to put 0. Okay, so through that we can give the input if we want to give the input with the help of scanner class, as you know about it. So I'm just reminding you this. But what about that if I just want to give the input with the help of buffer reader, input stream reader? So for that I have to import the package, that is the IO package, input output package. Okay, so star I have given, that I already discussed with you what does it mean. And now what I'm doing, I have to write there the throw IO exception, because sometime it's throwing the exception, 99% throwing the exception, so we have to put there the IO exception. Okay, so now what I'm doing there, first of all I'm just creating the object of input stream reader class. This is new, this new is providing the memory to this, and system.in, that will be get in the form of a string. Okay, in the form of a string. So now that will be stored in the buffered reader object, and this is buffered reader object. We are passing this to the object of buffered reader. Okay, so now this buffered reader object, that will be receive the object of input stream, and now that will be stored in the object of buffered reader. Basically this we are using for the speed only. Okay, to enhance the speed of our program. Okay, so before that we were using this, but nowadays scanner class we are using, because that's a new we can say that way how we can give the input, and more easiest than the input stream and buffered reader, because here we have to write write so many lines, that is so much difficult, but that is so much easy. So usually we are using this only. Okay, so now moving there, so how we can give input if we are using IOStream package and if we are using there the input stream. So see here the char data type and here char. Okay, in dot read, because that will be in the form of string, so you have to convert that into the form of character. So that's why I'm using this. Okay, so this is the way how we can give the input when we are using the scanner class and when we are using the input stream reader class. Okay, so now I hope the both the things are clear to you. Okay, so moving to the functions which are there in our syllabus, 10th class syllabus, like you have already seen there is letter. Okay, so many functions are there. So I'm moving to the my blue J. Okay, so here I have already written all the functions which are there in the syllabus of 10th class. So let me explain one by one all the examples, all the functions here. So first of all, this is my class. I have given a name to this class, and this is what, this is my main function. And now exactly I'm using here first of all the is letter function. Okay, so wherever you will find the is, so that means whatever the output will be, whatever the written type will be, that will be in the form of boolean only. Okay, okay, so this thing you have to always remember, this thing you have to always remember, wherever you will find the word is or in front of any function, so that means that will be returning the value in the form of boolean only, true and false. Okay, this thing you have to remember. So moving there, boolean, and this is the object of my boolean. Okay, so this is the boolean. Okay, so that is primitive data type, as we know that this is my character, this is my wrapper class there, and dot is a letter. What I'm doing there is a letter, and now this is that particular letter, this is that particular letter. I'm just asking that, this is a one type of question only, right? Is letter, that particular thing which is inside in its parameters, that is letter. Okay, on the basis of that it will give me the answer. Okay, it will give me the answer in the form of true and false only. Okay guys, next moving there, so system.out.println, I'm just printing this b, so we will check out when we will compile this. Okay, so now boolean double b is a primitive data type, that is a variable bb here. So character, that is my wrapper class, is a letter, and 1 2 3 I'm just giving, and I'm just checking that is that letter. So we know that what we will find there, obviously we will find there false. And let me write here also, because we will recheck our answers here. So yeah, it is a letter only. Okay, so that's why here we will get true and here we will get false. So moving there, here I'm just printing it. Okay, so boolean a and character is letter or digit, means or means either can be a letter or digit. Okay, so this we are using along with that. Okay, so now see here I'm using this here also. So let me write there the answer, I will tell you for that also. See here I'm just checking for the letter and for the digit, means either it can be letter or digit. Okay, so if anyone will be there, so it will give me the answer true. Okay, one more thing I just want to tell you, whenever you are writing true and false, the true and false must be in the small characters only, small characters only must be there. So this is, otherwise that you will loss of 1 marks or 2 marks. Okay, so this must be there, otherwise that will be considered as a wrong answer. So moving there down, see there moving down, so I'm using there is letter or digit, one function we have already done. So here system.out.println, I'm just printing this. Let me cut this and let me write this here. Okay, so I'm writing it here as we have written the result also. So now moving there, boolean double a and character wrapper class is letter or digit. Yeah, it is a digit, so must be the answer, that will be true only. Okay, so moving there, boolean. Okay, so this is, okay, character is letter or digit. Yeah, this is not a letter or it is not a digit, it is a special symbol, so obviously we're gonna find there false. Okay, so moving there, yeah, this is a letter here because it's a so obviously we will find there true only. Okay, So now moving there, now there is a function that is a white space. What exactly it is? It is asking that is a white space, whatever you are giving in its parameters, that is a white space. Yeah, it is a white space. So that's why we are getting here what? True, definitely. Okay, so here I have given a special symbol. So either you are giving special symbol a b c 1 2 3, whatever you are giving, so it will give you answer false only, because it is just for that white space only. If we want to check that is there any white space, so for that we are using it. It will give answer to us in the boolean form, and that will be the form will be what? In the true and false. The answer will be in that only, because we know that boolean is having two value, that true and false. Okay, so is uppercase I'm using. So what it name says, it name says something is in uppercase. Yeah, exactly, we're just checking that whatever in the parameter is that in uppercase or not. It is not, so that's why definitely we will get there false. Okay, so this is how we have done. So now is uppercase, so yeah, capital A is there, so definitely we're gonna find there true. Okay, so now moving down there is lowercase. Okay, is lowercase, and here I'm giving capital A, so definitely I will find there false only, because that particular thing is not in the form of that capital form. Okay, so is lower, yeah, this is in the form of lower only, so I will find there true. Okay, so this I will find. So moving there, so see guys, here two functions are there. Let me show you firstly the result of till that. I will tell you afterwards this. Okay, after the compilation. So I'm telling you the result of first of all these all functions, how exactly they are producing the result. Okay, so let me show you the result here. Okay, so first of all we have done there is letter. Okay, so let me show you here, this is my window. Okay, so this is my window. I'm just opening this also, the output window also, so we will check out the answers also what we have done. So guys, first of all we were using there the is letter. So yeah, it is true, yes, because we are checking that that particular thing is a letter or not. That is letter because I'm giving there C. Okay, so now yeah, we got here false, because that is not a letter, that is a digit here. Okay, the next is there is letter digit. Yeah, it is true, yes, because it's a letter. Next we are having there, what we are having there, digit here. Okay, so it is giving me the answer false only. Why it is giving me the answer letter or digit? Yeah, it is a digit. Okay, so what one thing we have to do guys, we have to put this form. One mistake what I did there, I have to keep this in this form only, in the letter form only. If I'm giving there, now see, I have to give a single character only. So this mistake I just did there. So now if I will compile, now I will find true only. Okay, because that is asking for the letter only, with that this form only. Okay, let me show you what I did. There is, okay, and this is what, yeah. Okay, so guys, what we were doing here, what I was telling you before that, what we have done previously. Yeah, previously here, yes, exactly, now I'm finding this true. What we have done, we have given simply 1 2 3 there. Okay, we can't give like that, we have to just give it in the single quote only. This thing we have to do. Okay, and this is character, so only one character, one digit must be there. Okay, so this was the mistake there what I was doing. Okay, so I found here answer true now. Okay, so now at the rate, so answer is coming false, because that is not digit or letter. Next we are finding here true. Yeah, exactly, we are finding for white space. So first is our true, and next one is what? Let me check that. Let me down the scroll and showing you back the window. So yeah, here we got true, and the next is false. Yeah, because that's not a white space. Okay, so next uppercase is there, we got false, we got true. Okay, then false and true guys. Okay, so now there is a biggest difference between these is upper and to upper. is lower and to lower. Okay, so here we are having is, guys, here we are having is, so that means is, we are checking that it is a one kind of question mark है ना. It is asking us the answer that either it can be true or false. In this form it is asking the answer from us. Okay, but here to means to convert something is into the uppercase. Exactly, something we are converting it into the lower case. Exactly, both the things are going to be done. So this will be convert into the form of capital A, and this will convert into the form of small a. Okay, this gonna I tell you. So let me show you the output here. Let me erase that the previous output so that it will not be confusable for us. So now guys, let's see the answer there. Yeah, it is capital A and small a. Let me show you back that window. Yes, capital A and small a. This we want there, our answer. Okay, so how we have done these all the questions here, that is related to the library classes. All the functions we have done which are related to the character. Okay, so in the next class we will do some previous year's question paper. So I hope guys, you people enjoyed this video lecture. So bye bye.